Hello, and welcome to the It's Raining Crafts vlog. My name is Raina. You can find me on Instagram under sfchick. It's Raining Crafts on Instagram, and Ravelry under sfchick. I will have everything down below. So today is August 9th, Monday, August 9th, 2021. It's been a while since I've talked to you. I think the last time I talked to you was in May. It's been a busy summer. We had company, went on vacation, had company, came back, dog sat. They came back, and then my older cousins, one lives in Reno, one lives in Philly, was at their brother's, who doesn't live that far from me, in central Pennsylvania. Oh, I forgot to tell you where I'm coming from. I'm coming from central Pennsylvania, about an hour south of Harrisburg, called York. My cousin doesn't live too far away from me, and his wife and his kids, and his brothers from Reno and Philly were in on 2 different weekends. So we went out there to see them. One yesterday, one a few weeks ago. So, yeah, it has been a busy summer. I have been meaning to sit down and record. I thought that I would do it today. The house is kind of quiet right now, but I want to show you what I'm working on. So, I don't have the one project with me, but I do have the current project with me. It is Andrew Mowry's Illuminate sweater. I am doing this out of Nitpick City Tweed in the lemon curd colorway, in the artichoke colorway. I saw the sweater and I wasn't too crazy about it, but as I was thinking about it, it grew on me. So, I decided, why not? And I'm going to Rhinebeck this year. So, this will be my Rhinebeck sweater. And here it is in its glory so far. I did chart A. Chart A's. I did chart A. And I'm almost done with chart B. And then these markers are kitty markers that I got from Adorn It Steph. They're just telling me where my sections are, so I know. And then I think I got these markers from Amazon. But that's what I'm currently working on. I'm almost done with chart B, so I had so I can go back to chart A, but I have a couple socks on the needles too. These are my Joanna bags. I call them my Joanna bags because her name is Joanna and she's stitching the high notes. So this is a bunny bag. And in here, I have a sock. Ooh. I have a sock with a heel. So now I have to just go straight down the foot and do the toe decreases. And My other sock, I dropped that on the floor. My other sock is, the sock is Mustache yarn in the Sgt. Pepper Score colorway. And I love the Beatles. So any yarn named after the Beatles or reminds me of something, it has to be bought in my stash. So the second one is Knitty in Color, Sarah out of Georgia. I love talking to her online. She's such a great person. So I just have the leg done so far. I think I did 40 here, and I did 10 here. And I do the magic loop. So right now, it's ready for the heel. I have not started the heel yet because there was such a gap in between the Sgt. Pepper sock and this sock that I have to watch the video again. The video is by Denise of Earth Tones Girl. It's part of her No Fear sock class, Shadow Wrap Heel. It has double and triple stitches. And I am working on my Bean and Olive sweater, which is upstairs. I haven't shown you. I'm on the sleeves. So I just finished the the decreases for the arm yesterday when I was at Mylan's house. And I'm starting to work in the stockinette around until I get to, I want to say 94. 94, that sounds about right. So we will be doing that. But oh my goodness, summer has been so busy. And Kellen goes back to school on the 23rd of this month. Sorry, I have my coffee. It is Green Mountain coffee in the blueberry flavor. I want to say colorway. Coffee way. Yeah. But we had the busiest summer. At the beginning of June, my mother's friends from California came to visit, and they were here a week. And every day we were in the car, and we were going somewhere, somewhere local. We just did day trips, and then we came back in the evening and relaxed. And then they left, and I was going to start recording from my bedroom. And I could never get up early in the morning and function. So I figured, why not do it in the evening? And then 4th of July was here, and we had our family celebration here, and family celebration with the in-laws, my grandmother-in-law, my father-in-law, my nephew, my sister-in-law, Dave, Kellen, me, all in this house. But we have three floors of space, so everybody was really spread out. And then we went on vacation to Ocean City, and we had such a good time in Ocean City. We were 2 blocks from the beach. Kellen, you go. I'm really not like a beach person. I'm scared to go into the ocean because because I don't know if something will bite me, or it's a phobia I have. So we went, we were there for a week. We rented a house for a week, a condo. And we just had fun. We went mini golfing twice. It was really hot. We went to a yarn store down there. Went to Berlin, Maryland. Went to, and then we came home. And 3 days later, we're back in the car. We're off to Pittsburgh to see Chicago in concert. Now, I like Chicago. I like the 70s Chicago. You know, the 25 or 64 or Saturday in the Park. They were playing most of the 80s stuff. And it was like, yeah, if I was home, I'd be skipping to the next song. Because my mother really liked Chicago, and and that's one of her favorite bands, and she was jealous when I got to see Chicago 9 years ago. Was it 9 years ago? Cammie was just born. So yes, it was 9 years ago. Oh, my nephew turned 9 on the 30th. He had 3 birthday parties. But when we went to Chicago, we came back and we had the dog sit for a week. So we picked up the dog and brought him to our house for a week. His name is Snuggles. He's a black poodle. If you saw him on my Instagram. He's a very good dog. He doesn't bark. My perfect kind of dog. So, but he chases Ellie. And he doesn't bark, but he chases Ellie. I'll take the not barking over the chasing. Ellie just stayed upstairs the whole week in my bedroom. And then Cammie, his name's Camden, but I call him Cammie. His birthday was on the 30th. He had 3 birthday parties. I guess that it was nice. I was at 2 of them. So that was fun, and we had a good time. And today my mother's getting our car detailed, so we're just going to chill. This past weekend, though, we were with my husband's family on Saturday night, then her side yesterday. So I was like, okay, I'm over people. I'm over socializing, so I think today's gonna be a quiet day. Because I'm introverted. So, yeah. And that's about it. That's all I have for you. I hope to talk to you in a couple weeks. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.